God must love animals. He made so many of them. Some animals are so small that you need a microscope to see them. Others are huge. Others interesting. There are more than 1 million animal species. Even so, about one-third of animals have been driven to extinction as a result of mismanagement and pollution by fast-growing human population. Please take good care of animals around you. Make your garden bird and bee friendly. Contribute time or money to animal association whenever possible. Bees is a remarkable animal. Flowers are pollinated mostly by bees. Bees don't have ears, but they have an excellent sense of smell with chemoreceptors in their antennae. The hippo is the third biggest land animal, slightly smaller but heavier than a white rhino. The elephant is biggest, but no animal has killed more people than the hippo. Titi. Whether you're cheating muse or rock, it is a descendant of Felis silvestris species, which is divided into the African white cat. The domestic originally was not so domestic. Cows has no upper front teeth. This grazes up to 8 hours a day, taking about 100 pounds of feed and the equivalent of a bath full of water. Cows also are one of the main contributors to the hole in the ozone layer. Frogs. Other frogs are carnivores and will eat just about anything smaller than themselves, including insects, worms, and even other frogs. Some frogs are tiny, but the largest, the Goliath frog, is the size of a baby deer. There are more to frogs than you imagine. Ants can carry 10 times their body weight. Worker ants live 1 to 5 years. Some queens live longer than 20 years. The biggest ant colony found was on the Isicari coast of Coyacó. The polar bear. The polar bear, the world's largest land predator, prospers in the Arctic environment. Males can be 3 meters tall and weigh 1,400 pounds, while females weigh about 550. Single breeds take up to 3,100 pounds across icy seas and tundra in search of food. Buffalo. The African orcade buffalo is a member of the Big Five, with the elephant, rhino, lion, and the leopard. Weighing 700 points, they are unpredictable and dangerous if concerned. They have been known to ambush men and are often accused of deliberate sabotage, but they are places if left alone.